My name is John Maienza, and I'm an architect and designer, originally from Chicago, but I've been living for the last 20 years in Santa Barbara, California, with my partner, Greg Wilson.
Hi, I'm Greg Wilson. I'm a design builder in Santa Barbara with my partner, John Maienza. Been here for over 20 years and have been doing luxury design build projects for the entire time we've been here.
When Greg and I decided that we wanted to build this house here near Butterfly Beach in Montecito, we wanted to build a sustainable house, and we wanted it to be a LEED rated house. We actually achieved LEED Platinum status on this house. When people come to this property, they are struck first by how modern and elegant and sophisticated and zen this house is all at the same time. But the coolest thing about this house is how some of the most interesting design aspects of it are actually hidden.
Lighting is always an important feature of design and something that's very passionate to both John and I. And the immediate effect this house has on someone who's arriving is that the green aspect is a complementary aspect of the home. It's not something that takes away or is a consideration that we made. It's really part of the lifestyle here.
During the day, you do not need to turn a light on in this house. And in this house, we actually used all LED lighting. Because as a designer, it's really important to me to be able to light a room appropriately during a given time of the day or evening.
Another feature of a green home is underneath the wood decking that surrounds the house is essentially a boat where rainwater and dew will collect into the drains that go into the cistern. The actual county water line feeds the cistern as well, but out from that comes all of the irrigation for the entire property. So the house and property looks like any normal, modern, beautifully designed home, but we're actually utilizing the house to help generate resources that sustain it. It's really about a healthy home and an energy efficient home. So it's as much about health and quality of life on the interior as it is about energy efficiency on the outside.
And one of my favorite things about this house is how open all the spaces are. It's really an indoor-outdoor house. And we designed it with sliding doors, and some of the doors actually slide all the way into the walls in pockets. And it just brings the outdoors right in, and it brings the indoors right out. And when you're walking around the property, going from indoors to outdoors, and letting those gardens spill into the house, you're unaware that these systems are actually built in underneath you.
Another feature of the home that we incorporated was green roofs, where we actually have plants growing on the roof. This is a unique design system where the plants actually come in modules and are placed on the roofs of structures, which will help keep them cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, but will also, when the rain falls, it captures the rain and keeps it from flowing onto the property. This house has photovoltaic panels on the roof, and we generate just about all the electricity we might use. In fact, we are really net zero, which means we don't use any more energy than we produce.
That's right. One of my favorite things to do when we show people the house is to first take them over to the electrical meter and show it to them running backwards. And essentially, we're feeding the grid. People ask us all the time, why would you go through such a difficult process? And I guess the answer is just that we've always been interested and committed to environmental causes.
It's really nice that the support of the community has been so strong, and the support of the county here for this type of construction, because they're really a role model, we're really a leader. And you know, when you have a home, you always wanted to have a story to tell, and this house has a story we're proud to tell.